I told you that by the end of this video, you have the power and the tools in your hand to be able to start $1 million business. If you come here to this shop on Etsy, they have made this total amount of sales. And if you scroll down, you are going to see all the different products that they are making. And these are all puzzles. Take this price and multiply it by the sales to have an approximate amount of what this shop is making. I've actually checked it with another tool, and this shop has already made more than $6 million. I'm going to be walking you step by step how you can design the same kind of products and how you can sell them on Etsy, you can sell them on Walmart, you can open a TikTok store, you can sell it on TikTok, and you can open your own personal shop on a place like Shopify and sell it there. And the amazing thing is that you can actually start this business literally for free, or you can invest a small amount of money. So, and I'm going to be walking you step by step, and I'm going to be showing you everything you need to know in order for you to start your business. If we come here, for example, and then we open the inside of this puzzle, and then we see exactly how the puzzle looks. So the next thing that I want you to do is just to come here, screenshot this puzzle just like this, just screenshot it, and then I'm going to show you what to do next. One thing that I want you to always know is that every time you do research or every time you are looking at somebody's product as a competitor, you are looking at ideas. You are not going there to completely copy their products. So you are looking at ideas, but I'm going to show you how to do it, and you can customize it and make it exactly to fit your own brand. And always remember that branding is the key. For you to be able to stand out in any online business now, you need to make sure that you are branding yourself. You can just start something like Christian puzzles, and that is exactly your brand. So these are ideas. These are some designs that I've created for my puzzles, and I'm going to be walking you exactly how you can create and how you can design your own puzzles. So you now have to come here, you just click here, and then you take this one that says describe. You go ahead, you click here on this image right here, and then you upload a screenshot that you had taken, and then just click enter and allow it to do its thing. So Midjourney is going to describe this image for us. So Midjourney has described the image. Take your time and read through the image and see what Midjourney is saying related to the image. If you see anything there like puzzles, you just make sure you take it out so that it doesn't give you the puzzle structure. For example, you can just come here and say imagine all, and then it's going to create you all these images. Or you can just come, for example, and copy it like this, for example, and then you come here, you put like this, and you put imagine. If you don't know how to do this, I've already done so many videos that I'm going to link here showing you step by step how to do it, and then you just paste it here. But one thing that I want you to know is that take out these puzzle pieces so that it will not come out as puzzle pieces. And so you can look at it, you can see the amazing results that we have had. Now, the next thing that you are going to do is that you just come here, look at which one you like. If you want a different variation of it, you just go here under these V's here. And if you want a particular one, you just come here. Let's say we want this one, for example. You just come here to U3, and then you are going to download it. So I did the same variation of this one, and I'm just going to come here and I'm going to take U4 right here. And so this is our final product. And I'm just going to right click it like this, and then I'm going to save the image as. So I also came to ChatGPT. It's a paid tool. You can use GPT-4, and I get this command here, right here, and then I created this other design right here, just to show you other options that you can also use to create. This is Leonardo. It's a free tool. I've already done so many videos that I'm going to link up here if you don't know how to use it. And I also use Leonardo to create all these other designs, so you can look at them. So this is a free tool. If you don't have money at all to start, you can still start this business. So let nothing stop you. But for all of them, I normally use Midjourney. So the next thing that I want you to do is to upscale your image. So you can go to Big JPG and just come here, select your image right here like this. So you just come here, select your image that you had created, upload it here, and then you go ahead and just start and you upscale it. You just go ahead just like that, and then you upscale it. So now we are going to go to Printify to create our puzzle. So what happens is that this is a print on demand service. So Printify is a print on demand service. You are just going to take that design that you have created and put it here. So now you will connect it to all your shops. You connect it to your Etsy shop, your Walmart shop, your TikTok shop. You are going to connect it to your Shopify shop. all these shops that you have, when you connect it there, what will happen is that if anybody buys this product from any of these shops, then Printify is going to print this product and ship it directly to your customer. If you don't know how to make all those connections, I've already created this video here showing you step by step how to do the connection so that it will become automatic. When somebody buys your product on any of your shops, you don't need to manually go and then buy it from Printify. So it's just going to be automatic. So make sure you watch this video so that you will know how to set up this automation process. You come here, there are all these different puzzles that they have. You can decide to do this one that is just for children, 30 pieces, and just choose whatever one that you want. Let's say we are going with this one. Let's say we are going with this one. This one has many different varieties, so you can make all this number of pieces of puzzles. Now you just come here and click here on start designing. So the next thing that you are going to do, you come to this upload button here like this, and you go to your computer and then you upload your file that you had already upscaled. Since it's a puzzle that you are making, you just make sure it fits inside here perfectly. And then when you've done it like that, you can come here and just preview it and see how it looks. So this is how your puzzle is going to look, and this particular one is going to give you 1,000 pieces. So you can now come here to select variations. You can take all these different variations. If you want that your puzzle, if you want to sell all these 4 different variations, you go ahead and pick all of them, and then you save your product just like that. And then at this point, you just go ahead and write your title. For you to be able to write your title, you can just go ahead and look at your competitors and see what they are writing, see what is making them to have those many sales. You just take some ideas. Please don't copy. You take those ideas, you write your own titles. You can also write your description. Take all these ideas here. This is a description of the product. So now you need to make a sellable description. Look at the description of your competitors, and you can use ChatGPT to be able to aid you to fix these things very well. So after you are done with everything, you can come here and look at your prices. So this is a profit you are going to make from any of these products. And so when you've done everything, so assuming that you've already connected all your shops, then you are just going to come here and publish your product. So when you publish it, it's going to automatically go to your shop. And if you've set up everything correctly, you can follow this video that I've already done. Then when somebody buys your product on Etsy, then Printify will automatically do everything for you. So just to show you a little bit, you can come here, connect to Etsy, you can connect to Shopify, you can connect to TikTok, eBay, any of these shops, you can connect to any of them like this. You can connect to Walmart. And now when you connect all these shops, then your products will automatically go to those shops if you do the connection correctly. I'm going to put the links of this shop down below to ease access to you. If you use my link for Shopify down below, you are going to have a 3-day free trial. And then after that, you are going to pay just $1 for the next 3 months. And that is a good start for you to help you, because you can take advantage and try the business model. So at this point, after you've done everything, all you need to do is to advertise your product and then start selling and making that money. So I've given you all the tools of our commerce. Let me know in the comment section. And if you watch this video up to this point and you gain any value, I want you to put in the comment section. I want to encourage you to watch the next video so that you know how to perfectly connect your Printify shop with all these other platforms. So I'll see you in the next video. Love you all so much.
It's been a while since we laid down.